Never wait for a perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. Attitudes are contagious. Make yours worth catching. Be known for your kindness and grace. Let go of who you think you are supposed to be and embrace who you are. Accept both compliments and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. Be yourself, because an original is worth more than a copy. No matter how long you have traveled in the wrong direction, you can always turn around. Don't wish for it, work for it. Don't look back, you are not going that way. If you always do what interests you, at least one person is pleased. Look in the mirror, that's your only competition. Talk to yourself like someone you love. Be your own reason to smile. If you want to be happy, you have to wake up with the intention of being happy. Mindset is everything. Your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Feed it hope, feed it truth, feed it love. You will always be disappointed when you expect people to act as you would. Success is achieving your goals and objectives with happiness, love, and glory. The two leading recipes for success are building a better mousetrap and finding a bigger loophole. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. The secret to success is to know something nobody else knows. People often confuse success with fame and stardom. You never achieve success unless you like what you are doing. Excellence is not being the best, it is doing your best. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or get up and chase them. We will either find a way or make one. The very first step towards success in any occupation is to become interested in it. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that aeroplane takes off against the wind, not with it. In any given moment, we have two options. To step forward into growth or to step back into safety. Instead of looking at the 100 reasons to quit, look at the 1,000 reasons not to give up. To climb steep hills requires slow pace at first. Everything worthy is worth the fight. Success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. Success always occurs in private and failure in full view. Don't just expect a great day, create one. There is no failure. You either win or you learn. Don't give your past the power to define your future. Always say this to yourself: I am worth it. Always was and always will be. Always dress like it's the best day of your life. You can't reach for anything new if your hands are full of yesterday's clutter. Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, and loyalty is returned. Even the darkest night will end and sun will rise. Don't be afraid to start over. This time you are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. You never fail until you stop trying. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Only in the darkness you can see the stars. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Always do what you are afraid to do. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Do what you can with what you have where you are. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. A ship is safe in a harbor, but that's not what ships are made for. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? Turn your wounds into wisdom. Try a little harder to become a little better. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. Go on with what your heart tells you, or you will lose all. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that the failure is inevitable. Success is usually the culmination of controlling failure. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Determination, motivation, and dedication are what you need for inspiration. Positive anything is better than negative nothing. If you want to see a rainbow, you have to learn to see the rain. Ideas are just words on the page until people bring them to life. No matter what happens in life, never lose sight of who you are. The future depends on what you do today. If you quit once, it becomes a habit. There is no growth in comfort. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Forget the failures, keep the lessons. You will never achieve real success unless you like what you are doing. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. Be flexible so you can change with change. Changing your mindset may change the situation. Miracles happen to those who believe in them. Sometimes the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life. The only difference between good day and bad day is your attitude. When someone tells you you can't, don't believe it. It's a reflection of their limitations, not yours. Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. Work hard in silence. Let the success make the noise. Forget the mistake. Remember the lesson. When things change inside you, things change around you. Don't strive to be the same. Strive to be better. Success is not a result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. Success is often the result of taking a misstep in the right direction. The great recipe for success is to work and always work. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself. Invest in yourself. It pays the best interest. Your attitude is like a price tag. It shows how valuable you are. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. You are your only limit. Happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to other people. When life gets blurry, change the focus. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. Believe in yourself and you are halfway there. Don't wait for perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Prove yourself to yourself, not others. If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working on it. If size matters, the elephant would be the king of the jungle. When you change your mindset, you can change your life. Don't be afraid of being outnumbered. Eagles fly alone. Pigeons flock together. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Self-confidence is the best outfit. Self-trust is the first secret of success. The way to succeed is to double your error rate. Four things for success: work and pray, think and believe. Success is all dependent on effort. Every day is a second chance. Change the world by being yourself. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. Have enough courage to start and enough heart to finish. Never let your emotions overpower your intelligence. There is no substitute for hard work. The time is always right to do what is right. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Good things come to people who wait. But better things comes to those who go out and get them. If you do what you always did, you will get what you always got. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. The distance between insanity and genius is measured by the success. No masterpiece was ever created by a lazy artist. Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Don't let the fear of losing be the greater than the excitement of winning. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Invest in your dreams. Grind now, shine later. The hard days are what makes you stronger. If everything seems to be under control, you are not going fast enough. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity.